This is the progress report for the QA system for Team Tongzhimen. The overall architecture of our system for question generating and question answering will first incorporate a preprocessor that will take in all of the input text files. The preprocessor will incorporate Python's Natural Language Toolkit, or NLTK, and bidirectional encoder representations from transformers, or BERT, to implement a POS tagger, a named entity recognizer, a parse tree generator, and a co-reference detector. For the question generating task, we are first going to parse each sentence to find significant subsentences with candidate expansion. We will then filter for sentences that are easy to make questions out of, transforming to binary or WH questions depending on the sentence given. We will then pass all of the generated questions through a ranking system, and based on its outcome, an output will be produced. For the question answering task, we will first take our text of input questions and process them to make them canonical sentences, and then pass them through a classifier that will classify the question types. We will then pass all of the input through a relevance ranker that will rank sentences in the article based on their relevance to the question. Based on the question, the answer will be constructed via a binary, WH, or an either-or answer constructor. Lastly, our ranker will filter for good answers and then return a line-separated text file with the answers as an output. So far, we have explored preprocessing in terms of data input parsing, NLTK tokenization, and named entity recognition. By October 13th, we plan on having our preprocessor finished, being able to handle tokenization, parse trees, co-reference, POS tagging, and named entity retrieval. By October 20th, we want to implement an expanded and filtered candidate set for question generation as well as canonicalization for question answering. By October 27th, we plan on being able to generate binary and WH questions as well as identify questions and rank our answers by relevance. By November 3rd, we plan on finishing the project by implementing our question-generating ranker as well as question-answering answer constructor, and finally polishing the final output for both tasks. Thanks for listening, and we hope you enjoy our project.